All right, folks. Herbie with the new PCM. Let's see how things work. Cool. Looks like everything's working good. Do have to adjust the seat. We'll go for a test drive and see how Herbie's doing. And turn the AC on, because it is hot. I'll turn that on and I'll give it a drive and we'll see what it's doing. Got Herbie in gear. Let's go see if we got any shift problems. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. Oh yes, I can tell right now. I can tell right now. Oh yeah, Herbie is running sweet. I'll give it more of a run, but my initial impression is Herbie is fixed.